Hi, welcome to the Java Masterclass course at Experify. My name is Marcos and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career in 1999 as a developer, and within a few years I was leading teams for big corporations like Ford Motors, Nextel Telecom, the Australian government, and various national banks in Brazil. I have worked in many countries, which has been both exciting and challenging at the same time. I am passionate about development and I have been doing this for 17 years. I create this course for anyone interested in learning Java or to expand their knowledge who knows to prepare for that tough interview. In here, you're going to learn how to create classes, methods, attributes, packages in Java. Also, we are going to create projects using Maven and JUnit to be sure that you have a consistent application. After that, we are going to jump to algorithms and data structures. From binary search, quicksort, and binary tree, we will code and explain each line as we are developing. We are also creating unit tests for every single code we develop, and we are going to debug it. Looking forward to see you there. Join the course and enjoy.